Hello traders, the title of the video is Technical Trader Shed More Light onto the Right Angle Triangle Trading Technique. Alright, today we will be shedding more light onto the right angle triangle trading technique. Alright, so I've been posting video recently about price going up. Alright, price going up. Alright, and then if the price pull back and breaks above the prior high, alright, we can use either the length of the prior bullish move. So this is the prior bullish move, price going up from here to here. So that's the prior bullish move. We can use the length of that prior bullish move, project it here or here. Generally, trader will place it here, but I need to remind trader that not all traders will set their profit target, in the same fashion. All right, so whenever we are learning something, we need to understand that not all traders are doing exactly the same thing. So we measure the length, we project it at the turning point here to set the target, or we can put it at a breakout point to set the target. But what I'm about to discuss today is about a right angle triangle trading technique. So the reason why I'm showing this, the right angle triangle trading technique, we can apply it in an uptrend or in a downtrend. In this tutorial, I want to highlight a scenario when we have the right angle triangle in an uptrend. All right. So normally, as you can see, as I'm explaining to you now, because the price went up from here, here, normally we will say if the price goes up, you see that it went up from here, to here, and then it start going, vertical. All right. So normally we can, you see there is a bit of pullback here. We can use the length of this move and put it here to sell the target, or here. All right. So that's one way which I explained to trader before. Or we can use the height of the prior bullish move, which means from the top of the prior bullish move to the low of the prior bullish move. So from the high to the low, and we can project it here, or we can project it at the top of the prior high here to set the target. All right. So we have talked about this before. So in an uptrend, we can use the length or the magnitude or the height of the prior bullish move to set the target for the next a price action. But here I want to show you how we can use the right angle triangle technique. All right. So generally, what I say to traders is this: that the normal price progression is diagonal. So if the price is going up, you'll be going up like this. All right. Now, when the price is going vertical, as it's doing now like this, going up like this, vertical on any time frame, is a distortion to a certain degree. All right. But now, you will be wondering how I draw my right angle triangle. So what I did, you can see here from the low here, you see some trader may say, George, why don't you put the top at it here? You may say, why I didn't put it here at the top of this, at the high of this candle. I prefer when I have this type of candlestick bar, which is a kind of inverted doji or inverted hammer, I prefer to put it at the closing price like this. And so what I did here, I connect the closing price of this candlestick bar on the monthly chart to the high of this candlestick bar. All right. So I just draw a line horizontal like this. So that's the line that is very important for me, from the closing price here, connect it to this high here, and I have the diagonal price move. All right. Then I draw horizontal line like this. All right, up to the point where the price start going vertical. So this is the point where the price start going up, vertical. All right. So this is how I draw my triangle from this closing price, connect it to this high here. I draw the first line, and I just draw another horizontal line to the point where the price start going vertical. All right. So instead of using the length and the magnitude of the normal price progression, all right, I want to use the right angle triangle to set the profit target. For new traders, they may find it a bit difficult to apply this strategy. If that's the case, try to practice first until you master it before going live. Okay, this is a kind of advanced trading using the right angle, a triangle. So now that you see that this, as you see the right angle triangle, the right angle triangle technique consists of using only the height of the right angle triangle. So now we only focus on the height. Okay, this is the height of the right angle triangle. And if we want to set a target, we project it to the top, okay, of that right angle triangle. So when you do that, in this case here, your profit target will be in this zone. And as you can see, that's why the professional traders who knows about the right angle triangle are setting their target right here. All right, you see now? But if you apply the old method that I already mentioned, all right, which means you're going to use the magnitude of the price move, normal price move before the vertical, so we'll do it like this, to the low. So from the high of the normal price progression, this is the normal bullish move to the top. We measure from the top to the low. If you apply, you put it on the top, your target will be here. Yes or no? All right. If you use also, all right, the length of the normal price progression, okay, you have something like this. All right. But instead of using, okay, either the height or the length of the bullish move, the prior bullish move before the vertical move, we want to use the right angle, a triangle. And then we just measure the height of the right angle triangle and we project it at the top, okay, to set the target. Those are the strategies that we can use, the trading technique that we can use in an uptrend or a downtrend. Either we use the length, okay, the height, or the right angle, the height of the right angle triangle to set the profit target. So as you can see here, as the price reaches that zone, there were sellers here, there were orders to sell here. Second time again here. So now that we are here, the target is at $126. All we'll say to traders is a priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below using a top-down trading method. So you can see that there were, I'm on a monthly, in fact, sorry, I'm on a yearly chart, okay? I'm on a yearly chart, as you can see here, all right? People did sell this stock, Celgene Corporation, Epic CELG, Charlie Eco Lima Golf. Here it is. As you can see, there were sellers here. All right. Now it start going back up. All right. Let's see if I can see another. So you need to understand what we are doing here. Okay. This strategy, it works beautifully when we see the price going up in a normal move, which is a diagonal price progression, and then it start going up vertical. All right. So here it is. Normal price progression, and then start going up vertical. Use instead the right angle triangle to set the profit target. Why? Because we cannot, okay, so if you go like this, if you were using the old method that I teach you, if you were doing like this, all right, so this is about the length of the price going up from here to here, all right, that's wrong. Because, why is it wrong? It's wrong because the vertical price move is a distortion to a certain degree. So the first method that I have been talking about before, which means using the length and the magnitude, is only valid when the price is going up normally or is going down normally. When we have a diagonal price move, one cannot apply the length and the magnitude of the prior bullish move or bearish move if there is, okay, a distortion, price start going up vertical. So the only time that we can apply the length and the magnitude to set the price target in an uptrend or in a downtrend is when we have a diagonal price move here. But if we have a diagonal price move and then we follow by a vertical price move, in that case, we'll ignore the length and the magnitude, but we'll use instead, okay, the right angle, okay, a trading technique, which means we'll use the height of the right angle triangle to set the profit target. This is advanced trading using the right angle triangle in an uptrend. When a financial instrument is going up in a diagonal move, then it starts going up vertically, which is a distortion to a certain degree. All right. So as always, so what I would recommend to traders, if you want to apply this strategy, sometimes you may see that after economy news, all right, especially if you are trading forex, all right, or when you have a high impact economy news, price will be going up normally, and then boom, price start going up vertical. We can apply this even on the hourly time frame or any time frame when we see a normal price move followed by a vertical price move. To set a profit target, we have to use the right angle triangle. Okay, so the financial instrument that we are analyzing today using a right angle triangle technique is Celgene Corporation, CELG, Charlie Echo Lima, okay, Golf, belonging to the healthcare sector, biotechnology. All right. All right. So here again, now this is a small example here. It's not very good one. You see here, this is again a vertical price move. You see, you can apply. So I recommend to traders to use this strategy, especially if you are swing trader, to use it on a yearly chart, quarterly chart, a monthly chart. All right. But though it's valid on any time frame, whenever we see here, you see this one here. This is, you see what? Normal price move. Followed by what? A vertical price move, yes or no? So in this case, we can apply the length. We cannot apply the length and the magnitude. We have to use what? The right angle triangle. So here it is. So normal price move followed by the vertical price move. So after this candlestick bar is closed, this one is closed, we can start applying the right angle triangle. So this is the height of that right angle triangle for these stocks. So we just project it. Oops. Project it on top like this. So that's your first target right there. Let's see what's going to happen here. I don't want the video to be too long, so you get it now, all right? So that's the first target. Let's move it up. This is your second target. All right, so hold on, please. Let me put it. This is the second target. Let's put them there. And then we're going to come back to it. And then you see very soon whether it has been useful for us or not, that right angle profit target setting. Pay attention to the line that I'm drawing on my chart. There's another one there. And let's keep doing it. Let's keep doing it, my friend. Like I said, don't be afraid to draw a line on your chart. It's your chart. You own it. And you can do whatever you like with your chart, okay? Again, right there, another target, and then right there, again, one target. So look, so by projecting this, the height of that right angle triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the fifth target. That's where the price did change direction. So would you agree that using that right angle triangle after a distortion, it has been useful? Look at this. So you map it out. So once you have it, just put it there, project it up, 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 and monitor the reaction of the price in that zone. Look at the fifth target. Okay, it's working. All right. That's the fifth target there. That's exactly where the price did change direction. And look, as they start selling it, it stopped on the first target. Are you getting it now? So this is our first target. So we project one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We leave those lines on our chart. We don't assume anything. We are just monitoring the reaction of the price when the price reaches that zone. Now look at the fifth time it reaches that zone. Look, boom, down. All the way to the first. So as it's coming down, he also acknowledge, all right, the first target. Look at the third target. All right, look at this one. So first target, second target. Look at the third one. Okay, let me color it now again into orange. And I hope you understand what we are doing here. This is it. Look at the reaction there. Look at the shadow here. There were sellers in this zone, which means the professional traders were aware of that target level, and they did take some profit. As the price tried to go above it, there were sellers in that zone. All right. So this is a very simple. Here again, okay, this one example here. This is a good one for traders that want to trade these stocks. I'm looking at Hologic. Oh, let me use my American accent. Hologic Incorporation, this to make you laugh a bit. So again here you can see that this is a normal price move. So let's do it now. Here it is, normal price move. Okay, up to this point. Okay, will you agree? Up to this point, it's a normal price move. Now we do the triangle, the right angle triangle. Put it down. Okay. Okay, I want to put it here, or I want to leave it like this. I don't want to come all the way to the low of this candlestick bar, because you see, I'll prefer this line here. Okay, so our triangle, here it is, our triangle, right angle triangle, and then now we use the height of that triangle, right angle triangle technique. Okay, and we project it here. So we have a target right here. Why can we do that? Because you can see this is a normal price move. Now it starts going up vertical. See, this is a vertical price move. We are not having smaller candlestick bar. Now it starts going up vertical. Therefore, we can use the right angle triangle, a trading technique. So we have a target here now for this Hologic Incorporation. If my pronunciation is not correct, just laugh, okay? Laugh loudly, okay? So that's the target. So one more time, you can see that as the price reaches that zone, okay, you see the shadow again here. The market acknowledged that. Second time, again, price touch here. People sold it down. It came down all the way here before it went back up, okay? So if it breaks above the red line, which is doing now, which is the first target using this right angle triangle, our next target will be where? Right here. All right, so this is our next target right there. So I'll just leave it there. So for traders who are interested to trade this stock, the next profit target level is now at $55 level. Anytime you have two lines, be aware of the median line also, because sometimes the price may change direction near the median line. So this is a very short video. Advanced trading, all right. So talking about when one can use the right angle triangle trading technique. One can use the right angle triangle trading technique only if, all right, if we have a normal price progression followed by a vertical price move. We will apply the right angle technique to set the profit target. I hope I have managed to explain this complex profit target setting using the right angle technique to you. If you have any question, all right, if anything is not clear to you, put in a comment section. Sometimes when I ask question, try to remind me, say, Joe, you said this in a video and I want to ask a question about this. That will remind me about what we were talking about there, because I'm recording more video and try to refresh my memory about exactly what you want me to answer to you. Okay, all right, so remind me more about what you want to understand. All right, all right. If you find this video, so that's it. Normal price progression followed by a vertical price move. Apply the right angle triangle trading technique. Very simple but very powerful. I recommend to traders to use it on a yearly chart, quarterly chart, maybe on a monthly chart. Though we can apply this on any time frame. Let's see whether I'm going to see one example now for some traders that say, George, I don't know. I'm looking at the daily chart. If I can, this is the hourly time frame. I want to see one example to show you when we have a normal price move followed by, we can apply it on the daily chart. This is not, this is, you can see, if you draw a line on it, if you want to find out, you see now, this is a diagonal price move, all right? This is not very, that's what I said to you. You see, this is again diagonal price move. It's not vertical, all right? The vertical move is truly vertical, all right? Trying to see another example. So that's it, all right? So, all right? This is the end of this tutorial, talking about, okay, a technical trader shed more light onto the right angle, okay, a triangle trading technique. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you find this video useful, all right, feel free to give us the thumbs up. If you think that, Joe, this is another useless video, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. All right, if you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you as soon. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about technical traders shed more light onto the right angle, okay, triangle trading